Now, over the years of creating content, we've seen some of the craziest people claiming to do the craziest things. Whether it's from Lesiba's book, Journey to 100 Mil, where even he couldn't turn it into a mil from it. We had people like Alex G, who came out and said he was going to flip 100 into the mil. And when people didn't believe him, he decided to use someone else to make it seem more believable. And just when we thought that was the clown of the circus, DJ Coach came and said, "I'll show you a better thing. I'm gonna flip 500 into 50,000.
You serious?
Nothing comes close to Forex traders or Forex scammers. They are the funniest people. Today we're taking a look at Nasdaq Ninja, who flexed an entire $1 million trading account that turned out to be a test account, and another guy from TikTok who was so desperate that he decided to edit his entire trading history just to make it seem as if he's a profitable trader. Before we continue, I want to say thank you to our lovely sponsor, that is DRF, that allows you to trade synthetic indices with a minimum deposit of only $5, and other methods, which is $10. Very fast withdrawals. They have got free trading education, and they also offer very competitive spreads. I will leave a link in the description box below, guys. Go check out DRF if you want to start trading synthetic indices and other currencies or other symbols as well. Now, don't forget, I do give away $2,500 in a Prop Funder account as well. For that, all you have to do is make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and you leave a comment related to the video in the comment section below. So let's get straight into the video, right? So we received some information about the Nasdaq Ninja. Now, this happened a while ago, but it doesn't change what had happened in the video. Now, these guys, they are so they become so forgetful about what they do sometimes that they don't even realize that sometimes they just expose themselves, right? Now, before anybody asks again what this is just a nozzle strip, guys. Bad sinuses, and I use this, and someone's probably gonna ask, yeah, but why are you wearing it if you're not sleeping now? It's because I worked out, and it just helps. Any case, so Nasdaq Ninja basically once came and he decided that he was going to share his investors' password. Now, regardless of the fact that this happened a while ago, it doesn't change the fact that we still see Nasdaq Ninja today claiming that he's flipping these very big accounts. Now, they say once a thief, always a thief, like you're playing with Nathan Drake in Uncharted. But we've seen Nasdaq Ninja do all of these things, right? So I'm gonna play you guys this video, and then we're gonna come back to make some comments on it. Cool, so now you guys have basically seen the video, right? Now, there's a couple of things that you can take a look at over here. He deposited 53,000. The profit was 53,813, and then he withdrew 106,000. But if you look right above there, it does say balance withdrawal by CU whatever, and then it says balance test. Now, I'm not familiar with how test accounts work, but I am familiar with the fact that it does say test. That kind of gives us the idea that this is potentially a test account. Now, the thing is like this. I always say that if you want to prove that you're a profitable trader, the best thing you can do is share your investor's password. And in this case, he did actually share the investor's password. Sorry. I'm not sure if he shared it or if people was able to get a hold of the information. But again, if you are able to make 106,000 still, he was selling signals at that time. And even up until today, we still see Nasdaq Ninja out here trying to prove to people that he's a successful trader and he makes money through the market. Now is the first person. The next person is a little bit funnier. This guy over here, he is on TikTok. Now, I always say that some of the traders on TikTok are actually very funny, and I think this is the guy that I'm not sure if this is the guy that Rydal was speaking about in one of his videos as well. All right, you said you wanted, right? Say something, I'm listening. This thing is easy. I can do it any time of the day. Mentorship available. I just deposited 200. That's why the balance say 200. So okay, he said he deposited 200 and the deposit says 300. Now I'm not here to question that. Maybe he got some credit. I don't know if there was any credit allocated to the account, or maybe he had 100 rand in his account. That was the first screenshot we received. The second one is the withdrawal of 10,000, and then the argument that we have here is the fact that they say that these dotted lines, and this also happened a while ago, right? But they say these dotted lines are supposed to be moved all the way to the end. So they are not supposed to end before the 300 rand. They're supposed to go all the way straight through. And here you can see it. So here you can see it's moving all the way till there. And here you can see I'm just, I don't know, the information clearly states here that the deposit is covered in white. If you look closely, he's hiding numbers before the 300. I suspect he deposited the money from the Mentorship. Okay, I see here. So they are saying that here is supposed to be more numbers, and he probably just closed it. So he made it seem as if he deposited the 200 rand, and then he withdrew all the money. Yeah, so this is what I think, right? He probably deposited more money, and then without trading it, he just withdrew the money, and that is why there's this whole thing missing. But look, I'm not gonna debate this. I'm gonna give you my honest truth about forex traders, not just TikTok, but in general, because a lot of these guys who sell these things, they really not out there to make money. Because like CoffeeZilla said yesterday, it's easier to make money selling courses than it is to actually trade in the market. So all of these guys who needs to prove that they can actually trade in the markets, I don't believe these guys. Like, I don't trust these guys at all, really, because they are not being honest with people, and they do not have a track record of having any honesty or even being or integrity. But guys, that is it from my side. We will continue with these giveaways from tomorrow onwards. I want to say thank you for your time, and as always, cheers for ears.